Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to fix the Windows 11 search bar not working issue using a simple and effective method. First of all, right-click on the Windows button on your keyboard or taskbar, and from the menu that appears, click on Task Manager. Once the Task Manager window opens, click on the Services tab at the top so that you can see all the background services running on your system. Now, scroll down slowly and try to find the service named Windows Search. Once you locate it, right-click on Windows Search and select Properties. A new window will open where you will see different options related to this service. Here, change the startup type to Disabled, which stops Windows Search from running automatically. After selecting Disabled, click on the Stop button to stop the service immediately. Now click on Apply and then click on OK to save the changes. After completing these steps, close all the open windows properly. Finally, restart your PC, and once your system starts again, the search bar issue should be resolved. This method helps refresh the search service and fix common glitches in Windows 11. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.